Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export your customers from QuickBooks, whether you need to share your customer list with your accountant, create a backup for your records, or analyze your client data in Excel. This export function makes it simple to get all your customer information out of QuickBooks and into a format you can work with. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to click on Sales in the left-hand menu of your QuickBooks dashboard. This is where QuickBooks houses all your sales-related information, from invoices to customer records. It's your central hub for managing client relationships and tracking revenue. Once you're in the sales section, select Customers from the menu options. This will bring up a complete list of all the customers you've added to your QuickBooks account, along with their contact information and transaction history. It's this comprehensive list that we'll be exporting. Now look at the top right corner of the Customers page. You'll see a couple of icons there, and what you're looking for is the export icon. It looks like a small box with an arrow pointing out of it, positioned right next to the print icon. Click on this export icon, and QuickBooks will immediately begin preparing your customer list as an Excel file. This Excel format is perfect if you need to manipulate the data, create reports, or share editable information with team members. Alternatively, if you prefer to export your customer list as a PDF instead, simply click the print icon. When the print dialog appears, choose the option to save it as a PDF. This format works well when you need a static, shareable document that maintains its formatting across different devices and platforms. After you've clicked Export, give QuickBooks Online a moment to generate your customer list file. Depending on how many customers you have in your system, this might take a few seconds. The platform is compiling all your customer data, organizing it into a clean spreadsheet or document format that's easy to read and work with. Finally, check your computer's Downloads folder to locate the exported Excel file or PDF. It should appear there automatically with a file name that includes customers or customer list along with the date. You can now open this file, save it to a specific location on your computer, or share it as needed for your business purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.